Happy Tuesday, everybody.
You gotta love getting filthy in the first 30 minutes of work.
Hey, Eric. What's up?
What's going on, Doug?
Hey, we're working on the gasser today. Happy Tuesday. You know, I'm left alone doing wiring without my buddy Zach here. He's on vacation in Florida. Of course, I heard he took his phone swimming the first day, so.
Some people may have already seen this. I think it was built on the, what was it? One of those TV shows.
Is it the Fired Up or the Misfit Garage or?
One of those shows.
One of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're putting some wiring and windows in it. Gonna try and make it street legal.
Sweet. What is that the only thing going on with it? Just some electrical updates?
Yeah, it doesn't have headlights, tail lights, brake lights, or anything right now. So it's
How's it sound? I haven't heard it.
pretty wild. If I hadn't just unhooked the battery to do a little alternator wiring, I'd be able to fire it up. But I got a kick out of driving it in the parking lot.
Oh, you drove it already?
Yeah.
How was it?
Wild. Wild. Back in the old days, I had an El Camino with a straight axle, so it was bringing back some memories for me. Cruising the streets of Dayton, Ohio in my 66 El Camino. Well, Zach, hope you're having a good vacation. Yeah, I'm using all your tools.
Damn, Doug, this is a family channel here.
Oh, are you recording? That'll never make the cut.
Just too close.
Oh, you said come here, you didn't say where.
I was just trying to see a little bit of that. So what's going on with the Corvette?
With this vet? I don't know, can you hear all this music in the background?
No.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah.
I wasn't saying.
Our vet, 64 vet. We went to put the motor in it, big block. We called American Powertrain, got all the adapter stuff to run C6 behind this. Our T56 behind the big block and a C2 vet. But the cross member is too messed up in here. So we gotta like build a cross member for it. I'm trying to get the body on this thing. So we can fit the transmission in a tunnel. I know we're gonna have to modify the tunnel because this transmission is significantly bigger than the original. So if we can get that situated, then I can get the back off the rotisserie, fix the floor, do all of our stuff, or back on the rotisserie.
I was just saying before.
I want to get the bottom side of the car done, chassis powder coated, frame, brakes, everything done, and then it's going to go into the body shop for Bruce. That way this car never has to come back off the chassis. Because once you start messing with all this fiberglass and we move it, I don't want to take a chance on messing up what we did. So I want the bottom side done, secured on the car with new bushings, and then we'll just we'll back tape everything and work on it from there. So hopefully, before too long, this thing will look like a for real car. High five.
What do you think of the condition of the frame?
Well, I mean, for rolling around. Right now, you can roll
Poor.
around. Or if
Beaver got after that over there. And then we got a bushing that's, we got to rebuild this because that's not right.
I had to do that with mine. Just one around.
Both rear cab mounts or body mounts are messed up. I think it was just those two on the back. It's okay. Well, we'll smooth it, clean it up, powder coat, it'll be just fine.
Good as new.
Better than new.
Better than new. I like that.
Hey.
They all look.
They all look.
They all look.
I get to punch all 80,000 subscribers in the face. Starting with Doug. Doug, what's this? You look! I don't think it hit you. You see that?
I'm going to dinner.
So by the way, Keith got a new haircut.
Yeah.
It's a summer cut, right?
The old dude, yeah.
The old dude summer cut, and he's got the summer cut pants to go with
And
it.
pasty white legs.
And his Chinooks.
My Chinook.
So we should have a contest to see who's wider, you or KC.
Oh, I got him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, dude, look at that.
I don't know.
That's well,
You can see the blood flowing through my veins.
Put yours back up.
At least I got hair. What happened to your legs, bro? Is that what happens when you get old?
So every once in a while you got a waxy
Low
old
T.
chassis.
Low T. Low T.
Low T. Your socks wear the hair off. But
Are those
with
insulated?
with T you can rapidly grow hair back. But low T you can't grow the hair back.
There's also a couple other things you can't do with low T.
Yeah. But I did print the day.
Both these guys. Just shaking their
We
head.
know. Yeah.
We're aware of what goes on.
We're aware. We don't have to put that on.
We already had a discussion about partial Doug earlier.
Partial Doug, yeah.
Half mast.
Let's erect this vehicle.
Let's erect it, Doug.
Erect it.
Doug's gonna get a half built and give up.
Yeah.
This is as far as I'm taking it. I'm going home.